When the charging station is used with household appliances, the mobile phone app can be used to control the power load balance. Confirm whether the home appliance line is on the same line as the charging station. Confirm whether the home appliance line is on the same line as the charging station. Find the CT clamp on the circuit. Connect the CT clamp to the control board. Install wireless signal transmission module. Connect the control board power supply. The control board LED lights up to indicate successful connection. After installation, the signal can be received normally. The charging current of the car is 32A. The set 40A current is the total current. The load control system prioritizes power supply to household appliances. Residual current supply charging station. Charging station automatically matches current and adjusts charging speed. If the current is less than 0.68, stop charging after lasting for 1 minute. If more than 0.68, resume charging.